pues dímelo a mí, que no me hago daño. Baby, cuando te vi con tu falda.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this super warm orange halo cat eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing that I will be doing is I will be priming my eyes. I like to prime with some concealer and then set it in place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette. And as always guys, every single product that I mention in this video will be linked in the description box down below. First shade that I'm going into is this orange shade right here with my fluffy transition brush. And I'm just applying this right in my crease, and I am winging out that outer corner because we are doing a cat eye shape. So I want the crease to be really blown out and blended, so I'm grabbing this even bigger, fluffier brush and that center lighter orange shade. I'm applying this in my very upper crease, and this is just going to really diffuse those outer edges and give you that extra blend. If you ever have a hard time blending your shadow, highly recommend going in with a super light shadow and a really fluffy brush and just really buffing out that shadow. I always do this if I have a hard time blending. Not necessarily in this tutorial did I have a hard time blending, but I really wanted to really smoke it out. Next, I'm going into my angled brush, and I'm going into the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm going into this darker orange brown shade, and I'm just applying this line of definition into my crease, just going in left to right motions, and I am applying this above my natural crease. I want to give myself a little bit more lid space, and as you guys can see, my two lid creases are way down there. So if you need a guide to help you on where to apply this line, you can open your eye and apply it, and that definitely helps. And then I'm going into this fluffy tapered brush, and I'm going into our first transition color and just going in left to right motions over top of that line to diffuse it. Next, I'm going into this really small tapered brush, and I'm going into that same darker orange brown shade, and I'm just going in left to right motions and just adding some depth to this look. Next, I'm grabbing my angled brush and my concealer, and I'm just carving my lid and also applying this onto my lid as well. And then I did not record it on camera, but I did grab a really small compact brush and I just pressed some translucent powder over top of that concealer. We don't want it to budge or move into that upper crease area that we spent so much time on. So definitely don't forget to set your concealer with some translucent powder. And then I'm going back into my Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions palette, and I'm going into this small compact brush, and I'm just packing that light orange shade just to the inner half of my lid. And I just kind of wanted to do something different, so I just did that. And then I'm grabbing my flat brush, going back into my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I'm going into this metallic kind of rose gold brown shade, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid. And I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus for some extra pigment, but I'm just focusing this primarily to the center of my lid. We are going to be having a halo eye moment on the lid, so just focusing this on the very center. And then we're going to be focusing on the outer corner next. So I'm going into that center shade again before I go in with my dark brown shade, but I will be building depth on this outer corner. So first just applying that darker orange shade, and then in the next clip I'm going to be going into that dark brown shade and just applying that to the very, very outer edge. Next, I'm going into this ColourPop Jelly shadow. I'm not sure if this is a body glitter, but I will definitely leave the name of that product in the description box down below, as well as every other product mentioned in this video, just to make it really easy for you guys. And then I just peeled off my tape. And for lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bora lashes. We are still in stock of these. These are probably my favorite lashes at the moment. They are absolutely stunning, and they are 100% cruelty-free. And then on my lower lash line, I'm just going into that light orange shade and just buffing that as close to my lower lashes as possible. And then I'm going into that dark brown shade with my flat defined brush and just getting this as close to my lower lashes, going in left and right motions all the way from the inner to the outer corner. And then I'm going to be going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner, I will be going into my Pixie Beauty Highlight and just applying that to my inner corner. It's my absolute favorite highlight. And this is the finished look right here. If you guys watched this video to the very end, thank you so much for supporting our channel. You guys are the reason why we get to do what we do, and honestly, we love creating these videos for you guys. If you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Con tu falda, no exagero, me quería morir. Yo sé que estoy loco por ti. Estoy loco por ti. Estoy loco por ti. Está más buena que café de Juan Valdez. Es medio diablo y ángel donde tú la ves. Yo ya sé.